Quantum money meditation. Only do this when you can fully be present, close your eyes, and no driving. Take a deep breath. A full breath. Allowing your eyes to close. Allowing your heart to open. And inviting in the inner knowing that you are ready to receive more money, to embody more money, and to hold more money. Take another deep breath in. And slowly release, release, release. Let your body relax. Let your shoulders drop. Allowing yourself to be so present in this now moment, deep within your body, allowing yourself to relax, relax, relax. Now tune into the feeling of lack, scarcity, fear, and worry. Feel it in your body. And it's your turn to choose. Are you available for this to be within your body? Or are you ready for it to find a new home? And as you're thinking about your final decision, begin to relax and fall even deeper and surrender. And now make that decision and say out loud, I release all fear, scarcity, and lack. Good. Let that statement create an energetic shift in your being, in your mind, your body, your soul. And say it one more time out loud. I release all fear, lack, and scarcity. Relax. Relax into that version of you that knows that this is your new truth, that knows that you are making ways to receive more money, to hold more money, to embody more money. And relax, relax. And know that the fear, the lack, and scarcity is falling away, that the angels around you are taking it, surrendering it into light, and clearing the path for you to receive more money, to embody more money, to have more money. And now I invite you to relax, relax, relax. And as you are relaxed in this now moment, I invite you to say out loud, I am no longer available for lack. Scarcity and fear are not my truth. And relax, relax, relax. Take a deep breath in here. And exhale all the fear, all the lack, all the scarcity. And now we're going to invite you into a new chapter where once again you get to embody more money, receive more money, and have more money. And relax, and relax, and relax. And know that all you're releasing is being transmuted into the light, transmuted up to the divine, releasing what no longer serves you. And now I invite you to envision a column of light surrounding you and your relaxed mind, your relaxed body, and your relaxed soul. And relax even deeper into the wealth that is available for you. And I invite you to say out loud, I am the one who breaks the financial patterns now. I am the one who opens new money portals now. I remember my financial truth now. Relax, relax, relax. Take a beautiful deep breath in. And I just invite you to listen to the words and know that every single phrase is dropping into your cells, and all you have to do is relax. I trust money. I trust myself. I trust the divine flow of wealth through my life. Relax. I no longer hustle. I no longer shrink. I rise, I shine, I receive. Relax. Feeling your body shift in this now moment, here in the present and in the quantum. I invite you to say out loud, I now activate my highest wealth timeline. Money flows to me in known and unknown ways. I magnetize miracles. I hold my wealth with grace. I expand now with ease. And relax, relax, relax. This version of you is now anchored into overflowing money. This version of you is now expecting wealth mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, consciously, subconsciously. This version of you is now liberated financially. Relax, relax, relax. And I invite you to say out loud, it is already happening. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I have just quantum leaped into my wealthiest timeline. And relax. And now slowly starting to move your fingers, letting your body awaken. And before you open your eyes, rubbing your hands together, placing them over your eyes, moving your hands, opening your eyes to your new wealthy timeline. I invite you to come back and listen to this every single day for 5 days in a row. And every time you listen to it, let me know what's happening. Let me know how you're feeling, okay? And then share this with a beautiful soul that can truly benefit from releasing the lack, the scarcity, the fear, and claiming that wealthy, delicious timeline. Thank you for receiving today. I love you.